Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide or show page from menu in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. On left side you see pages and menu. So click on it. Now you see different pages. So we are going to hide page from menu. Now you see action. So click on it and then you see hide. So click on it. Now services page hide and then click on publish. Now site publish done. So view website. Now you see services page hide. Now back to Wix editor. Close this. Now you see services menu. So again click on it and then you see show. So click on it and then publish again. Now you see message. Your site is published. Go to website again and refresh the page. Now you see services menu show again. So in this way you can hide or show page from menu in Wix website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.